Hey, it's Mark Ling here, and I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page here. Now, I want you to bear in mind that when it comes to having a Facebook page, it's essential if you want to be running some Facebook ads. So what you need to do is just click down to Pages here. So you click on that, and then click over to Create Page. And then you can choose whether you want to be considered a business or brand or community or public figure. It doesn't really matter, really. So in this case, we're going to call this business, this Facebook page, we are going to call it Great Life Happiness. But in fact, I'm going to call it Josh from Great Life Happiness, I think, something like that, or Josh from greatlifehappiness.com. I think that looks good. Okay, and then category. So you're gonna. It's basically, it just feels a bit more personal when it's done like that. Category to describe your page. Just a word or two. Don't write dating and relationships or something, although I think it's an online dating product, something like that. I'll just say personal development. Oh, I see, now it's giving me options here. It's none of those. Self-help, self-storage, meditation center. It's an offline business though, so digital products, social media, computer store, local service. It's not really one of those. I'll just say book. There we go. Continue. Not allowed to have .com in there. Josh from Great Life Happiness. We'll leave it at that then. Continue. That should be fine. There we go. And then now upload a profile picture. So this is where you upload photo that is the same photo that you may have used on your website itself. If you've already made your site, or if you haven't made your site yet, then you may either use a stock photo as an avatar, or you may use your own photo. It's up to you. I'll just click on this. There we go. Great Life Happiness, Josh, open. Just sorting it out now. And then I can upload a cover photo as well. I'll skip that just for now. Okay, so we've got that there. Alright, so that's great. Now at this point, you can invite some people to like your page, just so you can get to 10 or more likes. If you don't want to do that, then you can always just leave that out at this stage. It's totally up to you. It's kind of a good idea to get a few likes though, so you should probably just maybe get a few of your friends to like the page. I'll leave that up to you though on that, because you can just run a quick likes campaign and end up getting 10 likes quite quickly if you just put a few posts in, and we'll talk about that shortly. Okay, so anyway, now that I've just gone ahead and just messaged a couple of friends to like the page just to get it underway, just to write a welcome post and say welcome to Great Life Happiness. I set up this page and accompanying website to make other people's lives better. I'm a hopeless romantic, and in particular enjoy helping women to find and in particular have a knack for helping women find the love they deserve. I hope you enjoy this page. Best wishes for a happy and successful love life. Josh, you don't have to sign it off. Post. Done. So we've got a post there. You kind of want to whack in a few quick posts there, maybe just a few bits of advice or something like that, and you may even want to put in some inspirational quotes or something like that. Here's an example. Do just once what others say you can't do, and you will never pay attention to their limitations again. Captain James R. Cook. Now, this might not have anything to do with dating relationships, but it's still inspirational as a quote and so forth. Just something just to get the ball rolling. You can even click a color thing there if you want to design it out to look somewhat nice or something like that. Just having a look to see if any of these look in any way decent to go with it. Yeah, I think that's alright. And here we go, click post. And just created a couple of posts. So if I go to posts, you should be able to see just added these 2 posts there. Right, I can add another, maybe a couple more. Just I'll just make one up of my own with every so I'll just do those. With every obstacle in life, there is usually a silver lining. That may not be obvious right away. With pain, suffering, with pain, there comes an opportunity to grow and learn as long as you remain open to it. There you go. And I may not be able to put a picture thing in behind that one because I said too much stuff in there, but that's okay. Post. There we go. Just trying to fill up the page so that it's not like there's no posts on the page. Like, you want to make sure that there's at least a few posts in there. Here's one. The best medicine for embarrassment is to be able to laugh at yourself. Jimmy Lovato. I think I spelt that right. Yep, I did. And then in that one, I should be able to use that color thingy. Yes, I can. I'll use that smiley face one. There we go. And post, just so it doesn't feel like an empty page, really. You can add a post every now and then, or a post every day. But it's important just that it's not starting from absolutely nothing. There you go. Gratitude is the key to happiness. and I might just write one more. Having a broken heart is never easy, but at least it means that you know how to love, that you lot of love to give. No, you have been broken. Strong and loving heart. Already used that one now, so what else am I going to use for a picture? Are there more? If I click that, yeah, there's lots of them. Go with just a plain pinky. Pink one, that'll do for now. And post. Okay, you don't have to overthink it. So they're all in there now. I can add a cover picture as well. You may want to go to a stock photo site like pexels.com, pexels.com. I could just type love and press enter and see what, if anything here sticks out at me. I don't want to have images of two younger people in there, because if I do that, then it kind of pigeonholes the site as being for young people. I don't want to have two older people in there, and I don't want to have something that is too, like, it just looks like it's for white people or whatever, you know. That looks kind of cool. I mean, but it just needs to look kind of cool. I mean, that would work. I mean, you don't have to overthink it. That works. Like I say, it doesn't need to be overthought. I'm just having a quick look at this, see what I might go with, because I can always change it later. But at least these are freely available. That's the key. So that works. That works. I think I'll just go with that one for now. I'll just click free download. Now I get 10 free photos. Oh, I've got to actually. Oh no, I don't need to do that. I'll just skip that part. Good. And then I'll download this. Free. No, I have to click the down button and then click free download there. I'll try. I don't want that. I want the medium one. And I'll just click free download. And it's still making me start a. Okay, join pixels. Alright, so I may have to join it first. Just join Facebook, continue, and then get my free download. Okay, I've joined, and now I have to go back to try and download this again, and I'll just click on the medium one, free download. Still not letting me download it. That's a bit weird. I'm not used to that. Click on it, it's not letting me. So if it's not going to let me download it, I will just, yeah, not happy with that, constantly doing that. I don't want to have to start this trial over here, so I'll just go to I'll go somewhere else. I'll go to unsplash.com and I'll type in love. Oops, I spelt love wrong there. Love. And there's plenty again here that are just fine. So I'm at unsplash.com. Sorry for wasting your time showing you that other one that I didn't end up using. Yeah, I mean, I think many of these are going to work. I don't know which one I want yet. Just have a quick fizz through this. You know, it's sort of a rectangular type thing, so that's important. That looks alright. So many to choose from. I'm just having a quick look. I'm probably overthinking it now. Okay, I'm just going to go with this one. Nice and sort of generic-ish. Click download. Download multiple files. Allow. It's downloading. And now I've got my image, and now I just need to go over to here and click add a cover. Upload. And then I just type in the name of the image. I think it's Michael Fenton Unsplash, there we go, and then I click open. So that's the image I just downloaded. I could see the file name because it was in the bottom corner of my screen, and that image should appear any second. Not sure why it hasn't appeared yet. Oh yeah, it's just appeared now. I can drag it to reposition it if I want to, up and down, I think about there. Click save. And that's done. Now if I got to change, no, I don't need to do that. Just having a quick look at it. Yep, that all looks good. I just add a description. I just write great life happiness. Done. Close. Obviously I could edit this photo and write the words great life happiness on it or something like that. I'm not actually that worried. It's just more just to have something in there so that it doesn't look like a dead page, and perhaps just keep on adding in little quotes here and there, or little thoughts here and there, in order to just make sure it just doesn't feel empty, I guess, when you consider that we're running Facebook ads and stuff like that using this as a Facebook page. So that's it from this video. We've got a Facebook